In today's video, I'm going to teach you all about Wealthfront's S&P 500 Direct. This is a novel approach to investing directly in the S&P 500, offering a fresh perspective for anyone looking to save on taxes while participating in a crucial part of the financial market. We are going to explore what Wealthfront's S&P 500 Direct entails, who is behind it, and why it could be a smart choice for your investment portfolio. First, let's dive into what Wealthfront's S&P 500 Direct actually is. This program was designed to offer you a direct path to invest in the S&P 500, which comprises the largest companies driving the US stock market. This index is often seen as a benchmark of success and has delivered an average annualized return of around 10.226%, showcasing a solid performance over the years. Wealthfront aims to enhance this experience by providing tax-efficient methods, ultimately helping you maximize your investment returns. Behind this innovative strategy is Dave Mashowski, Vice President of Product at Wealthfront, who oversees product development, consumer research, and client support. Dave brings a wealth of experience to the table, having previously worked at Apple for 12 years, which speaks to his expertise in enhancing the user experience with cutting-edge financial products. Now let's look at one significant update that might interest you. Recently, Wealthfront lowered its minimum investment for the S&P 500 Direct from $20,000 to $5,000. This change opens up their unique investment approach to a broader range of investors. Additionally, on October 6, 2025, Wealthfront launched the NASDAQ 100 Direct, further expanding their offerings and demonstrating their commitment to innovation and accessibility. One of the standout features of Wealthfront's S&P 500 Direct is the tax benefits it offers. By using techniques such as tax loss harvesting, Wealthfront helps you keep more of what you earn. This approach can be particularly beneficial for those looking to optimize their investment portfolios for tax efficiency. Lowering your tax burden means more money stays invested, compounding over time, and potentially boosting your returns. Moreover, investing with Wealthfront allows you to build long-term wealth on your own terms, giving you the tools and guidance needed to make informed decisions. It emphasizes flexibility and control, so you can align your finances with your personal goals and risk tolerance. This wraps up our exploration of Wealthfront's S&P 500 Direct. Whether you are a seasoned investor or new to the world of finance, it's always crucial to stay informed and consider various options tailored to your financial aspirations. By understanding and potentially leveraging the benefits offered by Wealthfront, you can enhance your investment strategy significantly. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy investing.